وإذ أخذنا ميثاق بني إسرائيل لا تعبدون إلا الله وبالوالدين إحسانا. Worship none but Allah and be good to your parents. Never play with your mother. Never disrespect your mother. Never underestimate your mother. They are so great and wonderful, a gift from the Creator. Allah said in Surah An-Nisa, وَاعْبُدُوا اللَّهَ, and worship Allah, وَلَا تُشْرِكُوا بِهِ شَيْئًا, and never associate a partner to Allah. Listen, وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا, and be kind and be good to your mother. Be good to your father. Respect your parents. Didn't you hear what Allah said in Surah Luqman? وَوَصَّيْنَا الْإِنسَانَ بِوَالِدَيْهِ حُسْنًا حَمَلَتْهُ أُمُّهُ وَهْنًا عَلَى وَهْنٍ وَفِصَالُهُ فِي عَامَيْنِ أَنِ اشْكُرْ لِي وَلِوَالِدَيْكَ إِلَيَّ الْمَصِيرُ. Allah is commanding you. He's commanding you to be good to your parents. Your mother carried you in her womb, strain upon strain, suffering upon suffering, weakness upon weakness. وَفِصَالُهُ فِي عَامَيْنِ, and she weaned him for 2 years. Listen to Allah. And ishkurli, due to that, thank me, your Creator. وَلِوَالِدَيْكَ, and thank your parents. How do you thank them? Go to Surah Isra. وَقَضَى رَبُّكَ أَلَّا تَعْبُدُوا إِلَّا إِيَّاهُ. Your Lord has decreed that worship none except Him. وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا, and be kind and be good to your parents. How do you thank Allah? You thank Allah by worshiping Him alone without associating a partner to Him. How do you thank your mother? وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا إِمَّا يَبْلُغَنَّ عِندَكَ الْكِبَرَ أَحَدُهُمَا أَوْ كِلَيْهِمَا فَلَا تَقُل لَّهُمَا أُفٍّ وَلَا تَنْهَرْهُمَا. Never say to your mom, you see how small it is. Never say to your mother, I am tired. Never say to your mother, leave me alone. Never say to your mother, no. وَكُلَّهُمَا قَوْلًا كَرِيمًا, and know how you address them. When you are talking to them, remember you are talking to a mother. Remember you are talking to a father. Come down, no matter who you are. وَاخْفِضْ لَهُمَا جَنَاحَ الذُّلِّ مِنَ الرَّحْمَةِ, bring your wings down. Come down. You're talking to mama. You're talking to your mother. So bring your wings down. Be careful who you are talking to. وَقُلْ رَبِّ ارْحَمْهُمَا كَمَا رَبَّيَانِي صَغِيرًا. Always pray for them. Always pray for them. My brothers and sisters in Islam, you heard the news. Most of you heard the news. But I'm advising you, Alhamdulillah. I started by telling you, death is painful. Death hurts. Death is bitter. The heart is grieved. The eyes are shedding tears. Yes, I lost my mother. But Alhamdulillah. I lost my mother, but Alhamdulillah, do you know why? When I remember, I never disrespected my mother. I thank Allah for that. I never talk back to my mother. Allah, I thank you for that. I never talk back to her in my life. Never. She called me one day. She said to me, you never disrespected me. You never made me cry. May Allah bless you. I say thank you. So never disrespect them. Because once you lose them, you will never forgive your soul. Take good care of them, please.